Immobiliser fit, and it's a 2021 Lexus Rx450h protected with a Halo Mini immobiliser. This one has total kill as well, so we have the tracking app where we can disable the keypad entry. But the standard Halo Mini, how it works, if a thief got the key or went in the wing and went to start the vehicle, it goes to start but doesn't go to ready, and they'll be unable to drive it away. If we keep trying, nothing happens, they're not going to be able to drive the vehicle away without a code. So for the customer, they can turn the ignition on, go through a code, receive a flash from the fog lights, and then they can start the vehicle, goes to ready, and they can drive away. If someone pulled you out of the vehicle when you got home, the system's going to activate as soon as you hop out. So if they grab the keys, pulled you out, they're not going to be able to drive the vehicle away. As soon as the vehicle's turned off and the door's open, it's not starting, they're not going to be able to drive it. This is the Halo Mini on a 2021 RX450h. Give us a call on 028 212 7393. Thanks for watching.